Are you trying to learn Russian? The illustrated book Spoken Russian Conversation Practice 500 Mini Dialogues for Beginners allows you to greatly expand your active vocabulary. It consists of 500 short dialogues on everyday topics, interconnected by meaning, and contains about 1800 commonly used Russian words, word combinations, and forms. A list containing the new words along with their transcription and translation into English follows each dialogue. To reinforce learning, revision tasks are offered after each topic. This tutorial is intended for beginning and intermediate learners of Russian. Teachers of Russian can use this manual to create game situations so students can practice language constructions in a more emotional and effective way. The dialogues are numbered from 1 to 500. Each dialogue in English is followed by its Russian translation. New Russian words and dialogues are translated into English below the Russian version. In Russian, every new line of a dialogue starts with a dash. Click a link under this video to read a free sample of the book.